Hello, everybody. How are you? I hope you and your families are well. Today, our lesson 3 is Let's Stop Corruption. Are you ready? Let's start with this picture. Stop corruption. Say no to corruption. Is it important to do that? How to stop corruption nowadays? For this reason, our learning purpose is to talk about how to stop corruption. Ready? Let's go. First of all, we are going to read a story, A Drug Dealer's Car. Okay? Look at these pictures and let's read the story, and then we are going to answer some questions. Ready? Listen and read. Captain, we found 20 kilos of cocaine in that drug dealer's car. Wow, really? 10 kilos? Yes, 5 kilos. Now, let's answer some questions. What is the title of the story? Good idea. A drug dealer's car. How many people are there in the story? Great. There are 2 people. What do they do? Nice. One person is a police officer and another person is a captain. Good job. What's the story about? At the beginning, a police officer found 20 kilos of cocaine. Then, captain said 10 kilos. And finally, the police officer said 5 kilos. Do you think it is about crime or corruption? Perfect. Corruption. And what is corruption? Corruption is a form of dishonesty or criminal offense undertaken by a person or organization trusted with a position of authority to acquire illicit benefit or abuse power for one's private gain. Let's think about that. Is corruption bad? You're right. Yes, it is. And why? Nice. Because it can affect other people. What do you think you will do to stop corruption, students? Can you do that? Yes, of course. Good idea. Values are very important. And what values will you need to practice to stop corruption? Look at these pictures. Can you identify the values? Great. Solidarity, responsibility, equity, and leadership. Good job. These are some values that you can practice to stop corruption. Integrity, solidarity, responsibility, transparency, equity, leadership, and honesty. Ask me the question, please. Teacher, what values will you need to practice to stop corruption? I think I will stop corruption by practicing integrity, solidarity, honesty, and transparency. And what about you? It's your turn. Homework. Okay. You are going to make a story about values that you will need to practice to stop corruption. A storyboard. Example. This is an example, okay? There are 4 people in this storyboard. You are going to make a similar storyboard, okay? First of all, they are going to greet, and then they are going to ask and answer some questions. Okay? So, let's do it. Thank you very much for your attention and goodbye. See you next class. Bye. Thank you. Goodbye. Stay home. Don't forget to stay home. And if you want to go to the bank the bank, the pharmacy, or market, supermarket, wear a mask and maintain social distancing. Thank you. Goodbye.